Hello children, welcome back. You all have taken a short break? Yes? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay Nana, come back to your books. Again? Take back.
I took my books.
Open.
Ma'am, I didn't keep my books in my bag, ma'am.
You people are talking something but I cannot hear you. I have muted you people just now. Let us start our class. Let us continue with the rounding of numbers to their nearest hundreds. Okay children. Take down this question all of you. Write down. Write down this question. That notes part have you all taken? Now take down this question. Round off the following numbers to their nearest hundreds. Till now we have did nearest tens, right? How to round off numbers to their nearest tens. Now we are going to excuse me children. We are going to round up the numbers to their nearest hundreds. What is the thing just now I have explained you? To round off numbers to their nearest hundreds, you have to make ones and tens places as zeros. Then go back to the tens place number and see whether the number is greater than 4 or less than 4. If the number is greater than 4, then you have to add 1 in the hundreds place. If the number is less than 4, then no need of adding 1 in the hundreds place. You should remain the same number as it is. See, let me explain you this in the rough part. Don't take this rough part. For your understanding sake, I am doing here. Afterwards, let us write down the answer directly. Here, let me take the number 456. Now I'll show you the simplification part here in the rough side. Okay, just look over it and try to understand this. Okay, I have taken the number 456. Here I have to make ones and tens places as zeros as we are rounding it to its nearest hundreds. So that's why you have to make ones and tens places as zeros. Then go back to the same digit again, which is in the tens place. What exists in the tens place here? You observe the ones place number in while rounding off to the nearest 10, right? In the same manner, you have to observe the number which is in the tens place. What is in the tens place, Danesh? What number is there in the tens place? Unmute yourself. Unmute. Now, what is the number in the tens place?
5.
5. Right.
5.
Tell me whether that number 5 is greater than 4 or less than 4?
Greater than 4.
Greater than 4. Then what is the thing you have to do next? Next step, what you have to take?
For 4, we need to add 1.
Very good. Very good. I'm giving a big clap to you. So you have to you have to immediately add 1 in the hundreds place so that it becomes how much? 5. Now mute yourself, Nana. Okay. So here the answer is how much? 500. When you round off 456 to its nearest 100, what is the answer? It becomes 500. So how you need to write the answer now? See this part you have done it in the rough side, right? While writing an answer, how you have to write? Answer. Don't take this, children. Rough part don't take. Only the simplification part we have done here. I'm going to erase it now. Already you all have understood this thing. $456 is rounded to, as we are rounding off to its nearest 100, so we have to write simply 500. 456 is rounded to 500. Others also get ready for answers, for answer the questions. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions. You people must be ready to answer me. Okay, 456 is rounded to 500. Now let me take a 4-digit number and let us round it off to its nearest hundreds only again. The number is, see children, I'm going to take this B bit in the next page. For me, it's next page, but you people have to continue in the same page itself. Okay? The number is 3859. B bit 3859. Let us round off this number to its nearest 100 again. Let us see the explanation part, simplification part in the rough side. Let me explain you people. The number is what? 3859. What is the thing you have to do to round off the numbers to its nearest hundreds? Who is going to say? Srikar? Are you ready to answer me?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Tell me, what is the first thing you have to do to round it off to nearest 100?
Once place, you should put 0.
Okay, ones place should be 0. Next.
Tens plus 5 is greater than 4. So
Okay.
you should put 1. 1.
Nana, here we are rounding off this number to its nearest 100, right?
Yes.
So the tens place number also becomes 0 here.
Yes, ma'am.
We are rounding off to nearest 100. So tens place number also becomes 0. Now go back to the tens place and check the number which is in the tens place. Yes, Sanvi?
Ma'am, at 800 place, you should write 1.
Add 1. Okay, add 1.
1.
How much does it becomes? 9. And the thousands place as it is. Very good.
0093.
Mute yourself. Who is this? Whose voice is getting here? See? So the answer what you have to write here? 3859 is rounded to 3900. Got it? That means what? the numbers which are in from the hundreds place onward. What is there in the hundreds place number? What is the hundreds number here? 859, right? 859 is closer to 900 but not 800. That means what? If you apply the number line system, what does it mean? See, 3859 is there. It lies between what? Two hundreds here. If you take 859, it lies between 800 and 900, right? But 859 will be closer to 900 but not 800. Okay, that means that thing. 3859 is rounded to 3900. This is the answer. In this manner you have to write while attempting the answers. When a question is given like round off 3859 to its nearest 100, then the answer is this one. In this manner you have to write 3859 is rounded to 3900. Now let us go to next part. Second question. You may get questions in the other forms also. The same method you have to apply, but the question may be changed like choose the correct answer. Let us take in the choose the correct answers form. Okay. See children, do you want me to write one more number, one more question you want? Before we go to choose the correct answers, you people want one more question? Yes? Okay, fine. Okay, CB. Let me take 4,348. Okay. Let us round off this number also to its nearest hundreds. Let me show you the explanation here. The number is what? 4,348. Now here in the ones and tens places becomes zeros, right? When you round off a number to its nearest hundreds, you have to make ones and tens places as zero. Now come back to the tens place number and see whether it is greater than 4 or less than 4 or equal to 4. Tell me what is there here? 4, right? It is exactly 4, which is equal to 4. That means what? We should, if a number which exists in the tens place is equal to 4 or less than 4, then no need of adding anything in the hundreds place. Simply the number remains as it is. Got it? No need of adding any number in the ones place. So the answer is what? 4,300. It means what? 4,300 is closer to 4,348 than 4,400. Got it? We are rounding it to hundreds number. You can write it as 4,300 is rounded to sorry 348 is rounded to 4,300. Take down. Yes, have you all completed writing? Sahasra? Make it fast. Shrestha completed? Risha completed? Fine. Kavish also completed. Akshat also completed. Advit? Advit, have you completed? Okay, let us go to the one more pattern. The same method, but the question is changed here. Vignesh completed? Have you completed, Nana? Vignesh? Good, fine. Is everything clear? Okay then. Let us go to next page. You people can continue in the same page if space is left over there. Choose the correct answer. Advit, is anything problem there? Network problem? No, no. Then you can sit in one place and you can do it, okay? Arham, where are you? Choose the correct answer. 432 when rounded off to the nearest tens becomes Vignesh. Any doubt? You raised your hand. Wait. No. Yes, Vignesh. Any doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we do in the textbook?
You can do it, but you have to do again in the notebook also. Okay. The same thing you can do in the textbook also, but as well as in the notebook also. Okay. The notebook part is compulsory. I'm going to give the questions of today's homework also from textbook only. Got it? Mute now. Okay. Becomes, let us take some options now. Its first one is 440. Next one is 330. Next one is 430. Next one is, fourth one is 420. See, these are the Roman numbers I have applied here. Some of you may get confused, I think. I'm going to write capital letters here. A bit, B bit, C bit, and D bit. Okay. 4 options I have given here. The question is what? 432 when rounded off to the nearest tens becomes what? You already know that whenever a number is rounded off to its nearest 10, the ones place number should be 0, right? In these options, for each and every number you have zeros, right? It is better to have a workout over this problem. Instead of choosing the options, let us have a workout here in the rough space. You can do, see, take down 432. Okay, take down 432. Yes, Yashmant, you want to say the answer?
No.
Yeah, tell me. What is the answer, Nana?
Ma'am, the answer is
Ananya? Ananya, are you there? Yeah, tell me the answer. Unmute yourself. Yes, tell me the answer.
430, ma'am.
It's 4:30. Very good. Mute again. It's 4:30. So let us see how you will get 4:30. The what Ananya has said, and Yashmanta, somebody just now was telling the answer. No, he was also trying to tell the correct answer actually. See, it's 4:32, right? 4:32 to make it as to round off this number to its nearest 10. Always ones place should be 0. Then go back to the ones place digit. What do you have? 2, which is less than 4, right? Then no need of changing anything here. It will be as it is in the tens place. So the answer is 4:30. Where you find 4:30 here? C bit, right? Just tick that bit as correct ones. Okay. 4:32 when rounded off to the nearest tens becomes how much? It's 4:30. Vishwak Sena, do you have any doubt? Where are you, Vishwak Sena? Vishwak Sen, do you have any doubt? You have raised your hand, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay then. Is everything clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute once again. Take down this part. Mirza. Mirza, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then don't simply raise your hands, children. I'm getting confused here. Mute yourself again. Mute yourself. Let us go to next problem. Take down this. Afterwards, let us go to one more problem. Completed, children? You all have kept your videos muted again. Unmute your videos. Again and again, I'll not be repeating this thing. Now let me ask you some questions. I'll mute each and every child. Some of the children I'm going to select and I'm going to ask some questions to you people. Get ready. Sai Akshay.
Ma'am.
Yeah, no. I'm going to give you one number 234. Round off this
Ma'am.
to its nearest 10. Round off this number to its nearest 10.
Ma'am, 200.
Yes?
234.
234 is there. The number is 234. You have to round off this number to its nearest 10. Nearest 10.
230. Ma'am, 3.
Say the total. So say the full number properly again.
300.
Okay, try to listen at least from now onwards. Somebody else are going to answer this question. Try to listen. Again, any other time I'm going to ask you again. Shrestha. Shrestha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
4 will get into 0 and
Ah,
230.
very nice. Big clap to you. 230. When 234 is rounded to its nearest 10, what is the answer? It's 230. Now next, one more
Yeah,
question.
ma'am.
Mute yourself, Nana. I'm going to ask to other person now. I have taken a 4-digit number, 4039. I have to round off this number to its nearest 10 only again. To its nearest 10 only. Sanvi is going to answer.
4,040.
It's 4,000. Good. Sanvi.
4,040.
It's 4,040. One's place should be 0. And if you go back to 9, it's greater than 4. So immediately you are adding 1 place. Very nice. So let me ask you more questions. Number is 4,179. Now you have to round off this number to its nearest 100. Who is going to answer this? Vignesh. Answer this question. You have to round off this number to its nearest 100. Round off this number to its nearest 100. Hundreds, hundreds. Try it off. I'll give some time to you. Try it off. Everybody can try, children. Everybody can try in your rough book. Always, I'll suggest you people to put one rough book or practice book in front of you while doing math problems. Okay? Fair ones, you can note it down in the notebook. Rough part you can do in the practice book or else in the rough book. Any one book you maintain daily. Got it, Vignesh? It's 4,179. You have to round off this number to its nearest 100.
Ma'am, 4,200.
It's 4,200. Very good. It's correct. It's 4,200. Next. Next, coming to next one, 3,029. Now, Harshini is going to answer this.
నీకు పలుస్తున్నావు అనుకుంటున్నా అవులే గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. తిను తిను
You have to round off this number to its nearest 100. Ananya, where are you, Ananya? Okay, Mirza. You once unmute yourself, Mirza. Okay, I can't hear anything from you. Medha. Medha, are you there? Okay, Ananya. Ananya, what is the answer, Nana?
3,000.
Very good. It's 3,000. See, actually, somebody may get confused by looking at this 0, but here no need of adding 1 to it. Why? Because it's 29, which is less than 40, or else you can check over the tens place number 2, which is less than 4, right? So no need of adding 1 to it. It's 3,000. Good. Next, one more number. You people are just muting your videos. Please unmute your videos, all of you, so that I can see your faces. I should know you people are whether you are hearing to me or not. Akshay, Sai Akshay, Yashman, Medha, David, you people just unmute your videos for some time. Now Sai Akshay is going to answer. How to round off this number to its nearest 10?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. Can you hear me now clearly?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, the question is already given on the board, right? It's how
Ma'am,
to
I cannot see board.
You cannot see board?
Yeah, ma'am.
See the board. Why? What about others? Can you able to see the screen, all of you? Akshat? Can you see Nana? There you are. Can you all able to see the board? Yes? Okay, Vishnuvardhan. Vishnu. Can you able to see me? Can you able to hear me? Vishnu? Vishnuvardhan? What about others? Shrestha? Shrita, where are you? Srikar? Srikar, please unmute your video. Srikar, unmute your video. Srikar, why you people are hiding your faces even after saying these many times? Nobody are opening your videos. Why? At least for 5 minutes, I told you people to on the videos, right? Who is here sitting? Akshit. Akshit, are you listening to me? Can you able to hear me now? Akshit? Akshit? Sahasra, can you hear me, Nana? Sahasra.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what about others?
Yes,
They're
ma'am.
not
I can hear you, ma'am.
Akshit, what about you? Can you hear me, Akshit? Okay, now Shanmukha Priya is going to answer for this one. Yeah, it's 2048. Shanmukha Priya, open your video, Nana. It's 2048. How to round off this number to its nearest 10? How much you will get after you round off this number to its nearest 10? 2000? Very good. Then let you say clearly and louder. A bit louder you can say, right? It's 2050.
2050.
50. Okay. Let us stop the class.
2050, ma'am.
Let us stop the class today. I'll be sending you the homework part from the textbook, children. Try to do it very clearly in your notebook. If you want to do in the textbook also, you can do in the textbook, but it's compulsory to do in the notebook also. Okay, bye children. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye children.